Okay, perfect. All right, David. I understand you had a bad day at work. We all have bad days at work. We gotta remember when we're driving, it's a different world. There's other people out here, and it's dangerous if we start to let that go, okay?
You're right.
But I understand everybody has bad days, okay? So I've issued you a written warning today as opposed to a citation, okay? I'm going to warn you, though, because the citation's $200, okay? So don't take this as, you know...
Jeez. Oh, my God.
I got to go after him.